That's so powerful because there's moments where we want to deny things. But the reality is the minute that you said, I'm enlisted, the minute you said, I'm born again, the minute you said, I surrender, the minute you said, I believe, even though I'm struggling to believe, help me with my unbelief. God says that when those moments of travail, when those moments of confusion, those moments of challenge, of adversity, of tribulation and trials, guess what's going to happen when you lack the faith? He'll be there for you. You're not alone in the cell. You're not alone in your marriage. You're not alone in the hospital. You're not alone. You're never alone. That's the beauty of being enlisted. The reason why you got enlisted is that you never have to be alone.